So this is an indigenously developed e-learning platform with the name University for students to learn online, either used by buying the videos or looking at the free videos which are available on the platform. This is available both in web version as well as on mobile app for both Android and iOS. For the sake of demonstrating this, I am recording the web version of the application. So I can just search different courses available on the platform simply by putting the content there. I can apply different filters based on the categories, based on the price. If I select only the paid ones, so I see only the result related to paid ones. If I select free videos, so it shows me all the videos which are free. It also gives me an access to see only the beginner videos. So these are only the beginner videos which are available on the platform. And if I go for watching only the advanced, so it shows me only the advanced version. I can toggle up the views in different ways, and I can also filter on the basis of ratings and language of the course. Like any normal application, a user can log into it, he can do forgot password and can sign up afresh if he is the first time user. I'll get in, and it gives me an option to either act as the student and can watch all the courses which I have subscribed for myself, or I can act as instructor also. So for example, I know HTML and CSS, so I can be an instructor for HTML and CSS, but if I want to learn for PHP, I can be a student for PHP. I have all the options like my wish list, my messages, my purchase history, user profile, and all. I can manage everything over here. If I go to see the essential training of PHP, so I see that the lessons are differently available here, and there is even a live class available for me to join at 12 o'clock today at 14th July. I can also see the different courses and their specific lessons available there. Even if the lesson has come from YouTube, I will not be able to reach out to that particular YouTube channel. I cannot share this video to anybody outside this platform. It is highly secure platform. I can watch this video in full screen also, and apart from this, I can also see the course detail, which mentions the total duration of the course and about the duration of individual lessons inside that particular course, details of the course, and about the author. So anything a student would like to do on a learning platform like this is available here. He can buy the new courses from here, or can see, like, he can just go to the wish list and see the different courses which he or she has added in past for the for buying in future. If I go there, it asks me to buy it or add it into the cart. So hope this video helps you understand the core features of University both on web application and mobile application. Thank you.